Well, markets traded sideways today. What's going on, team? Johnny here with the Investing for Beginners community. And today we're going to talk about how the market's traded sideways. The market closes in about 1 minute. And yeah, that's exactly what it did. It just traded in a horizontal pattern, didn't do much, had a slight dip down in that 509 range and pushed back up to 513, staying above that support level right here. So because there is a CPI report tomorrow that is going to be released on Wednesday, then we will have a clear direction of where the market's going to go. Is the market going to continue to consolidate on this all-time high level, or is it actually going to sell off in the morning down to maybe 505 or lower? Or is it going to create new highs and push up? JNUG also, or gold, trading a bit sideways, getting ready for a possible reversal. I'd love to see JNUG reverse. If we can get up to $42, $43, we can potentially see this go up even higher. JDST obviously betting against the gold, so this is selling off. Only time will tell, and tomorrow we'll know more or less what's going on as far as the markets. Mara also didn't do too much here. It looks like it traded pretty much in this horizontal pattern for the day. Although this morning, if you did catch it at 23.50 and sold it at $25, that would have been a nice 6% profit or $1.50 per share. Then kind of traded sideways along that moving average for quite some time today before popping around $24 before popping back up to $25. So this is looking very bullish now that we are at the official close right now of the market. So market is closed. Bitcoin did end in the green today, so Bitcoin did touch 90,000 again. We watched it in the LTE with the LTE team this morning during our uh, live day trading session at market open with our learn to earn team. We noticed that it touched 90,000 during pre-market, came back down to 88, and then pushed back up to 90, resulting in Mara having that nice little gain there. Now Hood also popped up very nicely from 31 to 33, and then basically just started trading horizontally as well. BTCT, very aggressive today. I would have loved to trade this today from $4 up to $7, $8, got halted and then suspended. Then once it resumed from the $7 level, pushed all the way up to $17, resulting in a 400% profit if you bought in at $4. So very, very nice potential here. If you got in at 4, sold at 17, 282% profit. If you got in at that 7 mark here and sold at 17, that's $10 per share, or about 134% profit. So BTCT looked very nice today. Only regret was I did not trade it, and it traded horizontally for the majority of the day. So not much going on there. I did take a position in OCGN. I'll have to be averaging down probably now at that $1.02 mark, as I did get in at about $1.05, 100 shares. So I'll be able to trade that a little bit. I'll be able to average into that more before it goes up. Now, Workhorse was another one that we called out this morning at $1.21 all the way up to $1.94. Then had a slight retest back up from 172 to 188, and then began selling off and now trading horizontally below that SMA line. Other than that, guys, I'm super excited to see what happens with the markets as far as as far as tomorrow with the CPI report. Um, a lot of these companies can move. They can definitely move in the direction that we are anticipating, right? Intel now below that moving average, so this can continue to see more selling pressure as it continues to, sell off here. VRAX, very nice push pre-market, been selling off majority of the day. Now this could potentially pop from $2.11 back up to $2.50 very nicely. It doesn't have to, but if it holds support above the 200-day moving average, then it definitely can. XPEV, trying to find that support here at the moving average of 1360-ish. Could potentially push up to 1560, so there's a potential $2 profit right there. 1 second. Ah, bitches. Sorry about that, guys. My cats like to meow, or my wife's cat likes to meow every single time I go live and do recordings. It's like it hears my voice and wants to try to overtalk me or something. I don't know. Anyways, XPV can push up from 1350 to 1550, so $2 in profit if it holds support on that moving average. Apple, same thing. Apple kind of traded horizontally today. We're just kind of waiting to see what happens with the CPI data report tomorrow. Same thing with Amazon. Amazon's actually looking really nice and bullish. So we'll see what happens again tomorrow. Microsoft pushed up very nicely from 416 to 423. And Tesla ended up selling off today. So not too bad. Meta pushed up. Very nice, guys. I seen this on the live stream from $579 to $599, or basically $600. Isn't that insane? $600, guys. And then sold all the way back off to that moving average down to 584. AMD also selling off, bouncing off of that 141 support. Potential rejection here on the VWAP. It's going to have to get above this VWAP or the orange line in order to showcase signs of upward momentum. If it does, we can see this start to show a trend line up like this very nicely. So only time will tell. LUNR pushed up this morning, and I swear I drew these trend lines. For some reason, I have a feeling that some of my trend lines are not being saved, which is very odd to me. That why wouldn't my trend lines be saved? I don't know. Active trending up, BTCT. Could have swore I drew a horizontal patterns here. Mars selling off after hours, back to that SMA moving average. Yeah, see, so this is not actively trending up anymore. This is actually now going to be oversold. JDST is not actively trending up anymore. It's actually overbought, in my opinion. JDST, active trending up. It's overbought. VRAX, it's not active trending up anymore, but it is oversold, I think. Tesla is not trending up anymore. It's oversold. Mara, still trending up, a bit overbought, but that's okay. Same thing with this one. Not really trending up. It's a bit overbought. I'm just going to keep it like that. Oversold. It looks like we have 14 oversold companies now. Tesla, VRAX, Gold, Apple, MU, Intel, PYXS, which looks like it just bounced up to 478, so this might pop up in the morning. SQQ, BMEA, Lucy, JNUG, DJT, Coca-Cola, and AQGin. Those are all oversold. 14 companies. I know we were going to try to keep it simple here. Overbought. Yeah, I'd say they're a bit overbought. XPEV is not. XPEV's going to be our oversold now. There we go. So 20 total. 20 total. Oversold. Overbought. I feel like some of these are in the same one. Let me see. Overbought. Overbought. Sorry, guys. Okay. So that is a game plan moving forward for tomorrow. The CPI data report is going to be the main focus, and so I'm excited to see what happens. Thanks for watching, and if you guys want to watch me trade as early as tomorrow morning, then definitely sign up with the second link below. It's a free Discord, and remember guys, I'm able to do this all 100% free for the simple price of you guys smashing that like button. So do me a favor, smash that like button, and we will see you all in the Discord tomorrow.